friends, I'm going to sing a hymn. Thank you, Lord. I come before you today, and there's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you have given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arms, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Arkatuka somia, arkatuka dunia, arkatuka, arkatuka, ata hanisasna. Tu ben makarosloi, tu domokocha. Tu ben makaposloi, tu jitsakrikocha. Tu ben makawitsloi, sasna suka pauchak. Turi makafawonoi, somia makafawonoi. Tori makafawonoi, somia makafawonoi. Arkatuka somia, arkatuka dunia, arkatuka, arkatuka, ata ani sasna. Dev bore korum.